Hello and good afternoon. I hope you all have had a great day. I just got off work and I am ready to go home. It is gorgeous outside. It's around 65 degrees, beautiful blue skies. On my way home from work today, driving the Tesla Model 3 Performance, I think we'll talk a little bit about a software issue I had last night. It's a little bit weird. I'm currently on software version 2019.8.5 and this issue was pretty major, and I'm going to show that to you now and see what you guys think. I have seen that this is occurring for other people. I don't know if it's been quite as severe as it was on mine, but nonetheless, I will show you guys right now. Also, please excuse the crappy cell phone video. It was nighttime. I was having my friend film because he was in the car. These phones just don't do very well when you're filming in the dark at night. You remember how the backup camera was black that one time? Fucking, I try and film it. Okay, there we go. And then it doesn't fucking do it the second that I try and film it. It's like orange. That's silly. That's so weird. What is that? Oh shit.
Is your car dying?
I just need to pull over for 1 second here. Did you get it shutting off? Yeah, let's get out and let it lock here. Okay, we're good. That was fucking weird. It lets you keep driving, but it's still like weird with nothing, like no gauges or anything. Alright, so now that I've shown you the video, you can get a good idea of what I am talking about. As I was driving along, all of a sudden my screen started glitching a little bit. It started flashing, there were some pixelated portions, the bottom banner and music strip started becoming transparent and flashing back and forth. And all of a sudden there was this giant orange pixelated section in the middle of the screen. I ended up tracking over to show the entire orange pixelated section, and it was at this point the entire screen went black, just completely shut off. As anybody knows, the screen is the main interaction you have with the car. It's how you tell how fast you're going, and it's how you get main diagnostic features for the car and information from the car. So having it black is not a great thing. It's driving along and my screen is black, so what I ended up doing was finding the nearest place that I could pull over and start figuring out what was going on with my screen at this time. I just want to reiterate that I'm on 2019.8.5 and also that I didn't think that this was a life-threatening issue at all. It was still driving just fine. It was a visual display error with the software where it ended up failing to display the screen anymore. After I ended up pulling over, I tried a series of things. First, I tried doing a soft reset with both of the scroll wheels on the steering wheel. This did nothing. The screen was still completely black. I got absolutely no response from that. Next, I ended up doing a hard reset, including the brake pedal, and this also did nothing. There's just no reaction, no information, nothing is showing up on the screen for either of these resets. So it was at this point that I then asked all of my passengers to get out of my vehicle, as well as myself. I made sure to lock the vehicle, the horn went off, the mirrors folded, and then I went back in, and all of a sudden the screen started working. I'm not sure what ended up getting it to work, whether it was everybody leaving and locking the vehicle, but it did start working at that point, like nothing had ever happened. So that's good. At least there was no permanent damage, and like I said, once again, I did not feel that this put anybody in danger. It was just a pretty major inconvenience that the screen was completely black and there was nothing I could do about it. The only way to fix it was one of those three things: soft reset, hard reset, and eventually exiting the vehicle, locking it down, and getting back into the vehicle. Pretty unfortunate. I have been patiently waiting for 2019.8.6 or anything beyond that, especially because there's some goodies coming up, like the no confirmation lane change, as well as smart summits. But I just wanted to create this video and put it out there that this is an issue with 2019.8.5. Be aware of it, and hopefully the things that I did will work for you as well. I hope that it doesn't happen to you in the first place, but if it does, I hope this helps. Alright, that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, if you did like this video, please take the time to like and subscribe. Cannot tell you how important those are and how much I appreciate it. They both truly mean the world. So please hit that like and hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy this video. Also drop a line in the comments to let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Once again, I would like to reiterate that this is not bashing Tesla. This is just a notification to those out there that are on the software that it is a possibility that it might occur. I've not heard about this occurring in any other versions of the software, just this one. Yes, please keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great evening. We'll see you next time.